Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Equilibrium questions get easy fast when you track how each policy shifts incentives, then check which intervention actually pushes the market quantity up to 300. Start at the government's target, quantity 300, and compare the market forces there. We need an intervention that makes buyers want more and sellers provide more at that quantity. A price floor or producer tax works against a higher equilibrium quantity, so those are out. A consumer subsidy helps demand, but by itself it does not create enough increase. That means we need both sides boosted together, a $2 consumer subsidy and a $2 producer subsidy, which matches option E. Nice! Well done! Scan now. The trap is rushing signs. Trust what is given and check each policy step before choosing the intervention.